winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Designer Home of the Year is Daniel Lomma of Daniel Lomma Design.
The original home on this long, narrow site did not flow or work well for the family of 5 that had bought it a few years before. But instead of demolishing the home and starting from scratch, it was decided that a renovation would lead to the best possible outcome. The starting point of the design was creating street-level access to the garage and entry by demolishing the existing garage and porch stairs at the bottom of the driveway. The replacement structures now give the home the street appeal it previously lacked, as well as easy site access to the garage and to the entry for guests. With the existing main living area located at the back of the block on the river, there is almost a 70-metre walk from the home's entry to this point. To reduce the perception of this distance, a series of interesting focal points such as sunken courtyards, river views and swimming pool area adds interest and makes the journey a pleasant experience. The enlarged and refurbished kitchen has made the back of the home much more suitable for the large family, as well as for entertaining, while the dining area links to the al fresco facilities beside the pool. The TIDA judges were impressed with how this substantial renovation project has successfully overcome the site challenges and transformed the existing property to create an impressive and cohesive home. Congratulations to Daniel Lomma of Daniel Lomma Design, winner of the 2023 TIDA Australia Designer Home of the Year.